Hello po, ako po si Jericho Ponce from Antipolo, Rizal.
Hi, how are you?
I'm busog.
How's the dinner?
How's the dinner? Second day na namin kumakain ng seafood. Same ng ulam, same ng dishes, pero hindi pa rin nakakasawa. Ang sarap pa din. Thank you, Ambassadors Inn.
So, my first question is, what is your preparation for this pageant?
Preparation for this pageant is, ang tawag dito, peace of mind. Peace of mind talaga. Yung mga problems, ang tawag dito, mga work backlogs ko from Manila, as much as possible, tintry ko siyang tapusin agad before mag-coronation. Kasi iba yung makakasagot ka ng maayos, yung walang hesitation.
I can see that there's a lot of activities here, here in Aklan and in Boracay specifically. So what activities do you love the most or nag-enjoy?
Alin ba? Siguro yung pagsama namin sa ati-atihan sa buong parada. Ang saya, ang daming mga ibahay noon na nakijoin sa amin. Actually, kami ngayon nakijoin eh. So, ang saya lang na pwede pala yun, no? Habang pumaparada kayo, nagiinom kayo. Yun yung culture sa ibahay noon. Umiinom sila ng beer habang sumasayaw. Ayun. Yes.
Yeah, and while dancing now.
Yes, while dancing. Yes.
What do you think was saan ka nag-excel or saan ka stand out in your
Hindi talaga ako makapili kasi alam ko doon sa tatlong categories na yun. I did my best. I did my kung ano yung nararamdaman kong gusto kong gawin sa buong rampa. I think yun yung may pinaka-importante is yung maging comfortable ka sa pagrampa mo and maging comfortable ka sa kung anong suot mo. I think I did well naman sa buong tatlong yun. So I think wala akong mapipick na kahit isa doon kasi kanya-kanya sila ng hinihinging requirement or attitude per segment. So ayun, I think I really can't pick one.
So all of the categories, you think that you did your best?
Yes.
Perfect. And also, just want to ask, if you win Mr. Grand Philippines 2024, what do you want or what you can contribute to the organization?
I think ever since naman alam ko na yung ginagawa ko in my own platform, which is sharing my good hard work stories na hindi ko pinagdadamot sa mga tao na ganito yung ginagawa ko or I'm not being shy about it, which is kailangan ng mga followers ko yun as being their influencer or for them to be influenced to do hard works then as well. Siguro if I'll be given that chance na Mr. Gan, that's a bigger platform for me to share my hard work story, which is madami pa ako may influence sa others. Siguro ganun lang. It's a bigger platform. It's a bigger platform for me to share the stories.
Yeah, that's perfect. I mean, you can invite your supporters to watch the Grand Coronation Night.
Yes, please watch me po on our Grand Coronation Night sa October 25. Follow our page, Mr. Grand Philippines, Instagram and Facebook. We'll be sharing our Coronation Night details.
Alright, thank you, Antipolo.
Thank you po.